Welcome everybody, my name is the Rusty Bartender and today's drink is the Bee's Knees. So this cocktail is from the golden era of cocktails, the 1920s, and it pretty much is a gin sour which replaces the sugar with honey in this recipe. And it just goes to show that one change of an ingredient can completely transform a drink. If you're new to the channel, we're making every single one of Steve the Bartender's cocktails from his book. Anyway, let's get into it. We're going to start off with an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, I should say, sorry. Or we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. That's good. Okay. 1 ounce fresh lemon juice. Then we're gonna go with the star of the show, which is 3/4 of an ounce of honey syrup. This is one of those drinks where every ingredient in the drink needs to be premium. What I'm talking about is you need to use fresh lemon juice. You need to use the best honey that you can afford. And a good gin as well. So after your honey syrup, we're gonna go 2 ounces of gin. Using Tanqueray today. I like a good juniper forward gin. To our shaker, we're gonna add some ice. Slappity slap, shakety shake, like and follow, subscribe, whatever. I'm gonna double strain that into a coupe glass. Double strain just so you don't get any ice shards in the glass. Makes for a better sipping experience. And here we are, folks, the Bee's Knees, a classic sipper. Oh, that is a good drink. Lemony fresh, juniper forward, and that honey just brings everything together. That's a great little sipper. Cheers, folks. The Bee's Knees.